बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? आज हम खड़े हैं इन फ्रंट ऑफ हलाल फॉर ऑल सुपरमार्केट एंड हलाल मीट स्टोर पे के सामने। दिस इज़ लोकेटेड राइट अक्रॉस टूसो रेस्टोरेंट एंड इज़ लोकेटेड इन स्टर्लिंग वर्जीनिया। कभी कभी ऐसा हो जाता है कि हम लोग एक ही जगह से शॉपिंग करने के यूज्ड टू हो जाते हैं एंड वी मिस द जेम्स आउट देयर। इसी तरह का एक जेम मैंने भी डिस्कवर किया है, तो चलें आपको साथ लेके चलते हैं और मिलते हैं इनके ओनर से। जी असद साहब, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। कैसे हैं आप?
अल्लाह का शुक्र अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह।
मैं आई थी आपके स्टोर पे। मैं आपकी रेगुलर कस्टमर हूँ, सो आई जस्ट आई एम डूइंग अ रिव्यू ऑन योर स्टोर।
Okay.
So I'd like to know something about your store, why you opened it, like how you opened it, when did you open it? So please अब थोड़ा सा बताएं।
Well, I mean, right in the middle of COVID, so we were thinking to have some kind of start a business. So, I mean, in this area, especially the Loudoun County and the Sterling countryside, I mean, there was what I thought there was something, a grocery store or like a nice halal Pakistani meat and grocery store was missing. We started looking for it, and fortunately, we find a very nice location right here next to in the Regal Center. And I think the timing
it's a
was
very nice prime location. It's right in front of Toosso, right?
Yeah, right in front of the Toosso. Yeah, the timing was right, I think, and we had some time because we were either working from home or like we had like no jobs due to COVID. So I think that was like a good idea to start some kind of
That's nice.
Pakistani halal business.
So tell me something about your meat. You said yesterday that it's hand slaughtered. Everything is organic. So
yes,
do you like every single
100% meat is hand slaughtered, especially all the chicken. We हमारे पास organic भी chicken है. It's all hand slaughtered. It's antibiotic free or regular. Even the regular chicken जो है वो भी हमारे पास hand slaughter ही आता है. हम दूसरा जो non hand slaughter या machine से भी है वो we do not sell.
तो आप अपनी प्राइसेस का थोड़ा सा बताएंगे किस तरह से अच्छी हैं, मतलब किस तरह से डिफरेंट है दूसरे स्टोर से?
Quality doesn't come cheap. I mean, you have to pay for the price. Especially like जब 100% chicken hand slaughter होगा और उसकी quality का we make sure कि chicken is not smelly, it's all fresh. We have delivery almost every day, every other day. So I mean it's not easy to maintain, but हमारी prices are still competitive.
अच्छा।
और आप किसी भी लाउडन काउंटी के अंदर किसी भी जो देसी ग्रोसरी स्टोर हलाल स्टोर है उससे आप कंपेयर कर सकते हैं। पर 100% हम आपको मीट की गारंटी देते हैं कि उसके अंदर कोई स्मेल नहीं होगी, वो फ्रेश होगा। और
That I agree. That I agree.
और फॉर एनी रीजन कभी आपको कोई कंप्लेंट हो तो we provide you 100% refund or exchange, no question asked. If you are not satisfied, if you don't like it for any reason, we provide you full refund.
Is there any like time limit?
I mean, honestly, you have to tell us like within 24 hours.
24 hours. Okay.
If you freeze it or if you leave it outside, obviously we cannot guarantee the freshness.
Okay.
If you take the meat home and if you check it, you cook it, you try it within 24 hours, you let us know. We will simply tell you to just either bring it back, freeze it, or.
Can we like see your meat section a little bit?
Sure. Yeah, we can. Chicken kebab.
जी, ये meat section है आपका?
Yes. Oh, yeah. We just made the fresh kofta for our online order. One of our customers, they order online. Orders.
Oh yeah, I wanted to ask you. There's an option when you call your store. There's an option to order the.
So you can. We have all the items, everything, even meat, all the grocery items are available online. You can go online and shop over there. So address is very simple online. Halal for all shop.com.
So do you deliver too?
We have a delivery. If you order $150 and above, you get a free delivery in the within 8 to 10 miles.
Oh, that's
you
nice.
Also have curbside pickup. You can also place an order and come pick it up from the store.
Oh, that's very convenient.
So this is a fresh order for one of the customers.
That's very convenient. Achha,
yeah. So yeah, as you can see that we have all the marinated options, leg and thigh organic marinated. We also have the boneless breast marinated. We have the chapli kebab marinated. We also have, especially for the winter season, we have desi rooster, murga. So we desi chicken, hard chicken is also available.
Turkey bhi hota hai aapke paas Thanksgiving?
The turkey bhi Thanksgiving, and we have the turkey also, which is also zabiya halal.
Achha.
But that's a fresh turkey. You can also get it in the Thanksgiving time.
Achha.
But if you want to get the fresh turkey, like sliced turkey, deli meats, we also have that option too. We have deli turkey, we have a chicken, we have pastrami and salami also, and the roast beef. I will show you in the show.
Okay.
So we have all the ground chickens. You have different options. You can get the breast, you can get thigh, and you can also get the mix. Boneless chicken, leg and thigh with the bones, and of course all the different parts of chicken you can also get.
Very nice. Mutton थोड़ा सा दिखा दें.
We
all
also
mutton.
have the
I can see how busy you are because the spaces
yeah,
are.
it's been really busy due to the storm, well.
Yeah.
We have
Everybody's stocking up.
yeah, we have the veal mix, we have the beef mix, and the goat. He's cutting. If you I don't know if you can see it over there. He just he cut some fresh, and we're gonna go into packing.
Okay, this is your
Yeah.
acha machines वगैरह. Okay, that's nice. These are the ribeye steaks.
Ribeye steaks, yeah.
Okay, and they're usually not available in other stores. Okay, and
We also have kebabs.
these are the marinated kabiras.
Yeah.
Okay, and I'm sure the other stores don't carry this.
We can also have some like marinated chapli kebabs, chicken chapli kebabs.
And what are the prices for this? Oh, it's written on them.
The kabira is $8.99 per pound.
Okay.
And chapli is $6.99. And you will let me show you. We have some boneless. These are all organic, hand slaughter and antibiotic free.
Okay. These are, what did you say? I'm sorry. These are all organic.
Chicken is organic, and it's a hand slaughter, of course.
Hand slaughter,
Yeah.
halal,
Organic.
organic. Okay.
और ये है जी leg quarters, leg and thighs marinated.
अच्छा.
और ये भी organic.
अच्छा, आप मुझे इसकी प्राइस बताएंगे? थोड़ा सा लाओ.
Yeah, so $4.99 per pound.
Okay.
Boneless breast, antibiotic free, organic, marinated, $6.99 per pound.
Okay.
You can get it marinated or without marination for same price.
Okay.
You can also get something like this one, which is antibiotic free, organic, hand slaughter.
Okay.
$6.99 per pound. And
$6.99 per pound?
Yeah, weighed after cleaning and trimming.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then one of its own kind. These are the hand slaughter and ribeye, boneless ribeye, USDA certified choice steaks.
Okay. What is the price?
Nobody in the DMV has this steaks. These are $18.99 per pound.
$18.99 per pound. So, are you the regular customer of the store?
Oh yeah, I've been coming here for many years, never disappointed.
Never disappointed.
And even if I move away from here, I will always come here.
Okay.
I will
How do you
take
find the
extra
meat
mile.
and everything? Good?
Oh yeah, it's always wonderful.
I'm also a regular customer here,
Yes,
so
he
yeah.
always takes care of me.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
taste system. In that one, like every $10 you spend in the shop, you will get 1 point, and once you hit 50 points, you will have $15 off in the next bill. You can keep accumulating the point. There is no expiry for it, and you can use it when you need it.
Okay, thank you. So do you guys rent the dholki?
Yes, we rent it. For a day it will be $20, and if you rent for a couple of days it will be $10.
Okay, and can you tell me how do you sign up for the points system?
Okay, for that one, like actually we just require your name and the number. So first, last name and the number will work for us. We don't require further details of yours. And then you will have that profile saved with us, and you can use your last phone 4 digit of your phone number as your customer number, and always get the point on the same.
So for $1 you get one.
For $10 you get 1 point, and once you hit 50 points, the next bill you will have $15 off. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Have a good one.
So
So yeah,
this is our fresh bakery section. We have different varieties. We also have the Pakistani sweets. This one is coming from Chinese.
Acha, Chinese bhi hai aapke
This is
paas.
Chinese Mithai. So
Oh,
now
this is all Chinese. I didn't know that.
This section is all Chinese, so you don't have to go to all the way make an hour trip.
Is this fresh? Like when do you get it?
It comes every Friday. Fresh.
Every Friday.
Every
Okay.
Friday we have it fresh.
Okay.
And the good thing is the same price, just like the Chinese same price. So you don't have to pay more, and you don't have to travel all the way over there to get the fresh.
And then you have a collaboration with MG Foods as well?
We have yes, we have collaboration with MG Food here in Sterling. They provide us fresh cookies. We have.
I'm a regular customer of MG Foods as well, so I know.
So we have the sandwiches, which are sold out right now. So, but we are getting fresh.
I'm the one who got it.
You just bought it?
I just bought one.
Okay. So we have there are all the varieties of
Cookies,
the fresh cookies. They bring it every day.
It's very convenient. Like your shop is like a one-stop shop for everything, you know. MG Foods, Chinese.
I mean, if you want to go there, absolutely, you can.
Of course, yeah.
If you're shopping here, so you don't have to make another stop. So it's a one-stop shop, so you can buy everything from just one location. We already have our dates already on the sale. So we have jumbo, super jumbo,
it's
jewel dates
on
for the
sale for Ramadan.
Yeah.
Oh, let me see the price. Okay, it's $29.99.
So this one is
there's a huge difference.
$29.99. We have actually
the jumbo ones.
This is the best you can get. This is actually the super jumbo. I don't think so anybody else is offering right
these.
now. Yeah.
How much are these for?
So right now it's $79.99 for 11 pounds.
Okay.
Exactly.
Okay, Jiyasat bhai, thank you so much for
inshallah.
talking with us, and
thank you so
I'm
much.
gonna post this
Thank you very much.
review. Inshallah.
Thank you.
Check it out, okay?